Hi guys, let's start today's topic. Hi, my name is Shivam Gowde. I'm from Dhule, Maharashtra. I'm completed a bachelor degree in computer science in SVP Science College Dhule. And recently joined Hipsin as a software developer in an intern. Today's topic is trade life cycle. We can discuss directly in trade life cycle. We can basic knowledge of multi-threading. Basically, multi-threading in a Java is a process executing multiple threads simultaneously. Next one is thread. Thread is a lightweight subprocess. It is the smallest unit of process. Basically, multi-threading. It is used multi-threading in Java is used to develop the game and animation. Next one is the multitasking. Multitasking there are two types. One is process based and second one is thread based. Next one is the thread. Thread is the um, smallest thread is the lightweight of sub process is the smallest unit of sub process. It is a special path of execution. Separately, the separate thread is a separate path of execution. Next one is a thread is independent because if there occur exception in one thread does not occur in another thread. This is the thread independent. Mm, thread locate share memory area. Next one is a thread we can declare as a two types. In We can declare a thread in a two ways or two types, such as a existing thread class, and next one is a implementing reliable interface. There are two types of thread. Can Next we can discuss directly thread life cycle. Thread life cycle there are five stages or five phases in thread life cycle. First is the new, second one is the runnable, third one is running, fourth one waiting state, and fifth one is dead day state. Basically, we can create basically first type is a create mean can we can create a new thread such like thread class using thread class such a thread uh, t that is a object is equal to new thread. We can create a thread using the start method to new create the thread. Next one we can transfer the thread in a second phase such as this stage is renewable stage. Renewable stage is the ready to start, means is the ready, ready to execute, but it's not execute. We can only start the renewable stage, and that time work in CPU. Then after that we provide the thread in next phase such as a renewable running state. Running state we can thread is a CPU work to ready to run the thread to their we can CPU to check the condition. We can ready to CPU to ready to renewable state running state we to running state is not directly execute. We can only we can only running state thread are spend the time running state. Then thread is without any error or exception. We directly provide the last stage in day state. But in a thread life cycle, we can any occur the any exception. That time thread is go the fourth stage is none of the waiting state. That time we can waiting the thread such as a block block and waiting state are present. That exception in occur that time CPU provide the thread in waiting state. That time to thread we can execute the program, and that time we find the error and execution. Then thread is execution or thread is exception free. Then you next transfer in after that runnable state. The runnable state check the condition in CPU, check the priority of the thread. In time scheduler are most important part of the threading. They can provide the uh, time of priority of the thread. Then after one thread, the waiting state to go in runnable stage. Then after is a running state. Running state, the thread is without any exception. They transfer into directly in dead state. Is a terminated state. This is the life cycle. We can such example in at a time of one create a new three thread. That time scheduler we decide to we can forward the whose thread in a runnable state. The time scheduler decided to randomly one thread are forward the runnable state. The runnable state thread check the and they ready to execute to then forward the runnable thread to running state to check the ready to run. That thread is safe or without exception they directly forward in mm, dead state, terminated state. But any occur and occur there is any exception. That time runnable running state forward the thread in waiting state the execute the thread, and that either without exception free that directly forward to into second phase is the renewable phase. The time schedule we can decide them after that whose thread is forward the next phase. Every thread priority depend on time scheduler. Then this is the life cycle of five stages to execute the thread. We can one thread directly execute in day state. We cannot repeatedly start to ready to execute one thread at a time. One time execute. They need day state to their close the their work click stop. Their day state is completed. It does not start repeatedly. Uh, this is the life cycle in multi-threading. We can understand this topic. Thank you.